Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Discord app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on you down here. When you just click here on you, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just scrolling down here until you will find notifications, click on it. So then you click here on get notifications outside of Discord. So then you just switch in here to open with you, click on notifications. So then you click on notification categories. Then you will just scrolling down here until you will find pulse. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean pulse notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.